Welcome back. In the last video we used parameters to deploy our stacks in specific subnets, and in this video we will be using a feature called update stack so that we can update our Cloudformation stack. Now in the console, you can do that through console, or you can do that through the command line interface. Now the stack we just created earlier in the video was my stack 5, and as you can see the template is right here. You can check on your template on the console this way, and I can update my stack by giving it a new template, right? I can give it a new template this way, but I want to use the command line interface to update my stack. So what I will do is, so once again, my stack 5 was this instance where our subnet is 644. Now let's say I want to also deploy this instance not in this subnet. Let's say this was a mistake and I want to deploy this in 233 subnet, right? So to do that, all I have to do is say AWS Cloudformation update stack. Stack name, my stack, and the name of our stack was my stack 5, and template body was file of ec2 subnets.txt, and parameters so we want to update the subnet ID, right? So parameter key subnet ID parameter value equals, oops, not that. So parameters value equals this subnet 233 instead of 644 that we currently have. So enter. So I have a typo, missed a D, Cloudformation. So enter, and we have a return of our stack ID. Now if we go and check on our Cloudformation, let's see the events on that, right? So update in progress this time. This is the first time we're seeing update in progress. And let's check on the events. So user initiated update in progress, and the EC2 instance is in progress of being updated. So as you can see, we just cannot change the subnet from this to that, right? So what happens is the instance that was created earlier is turned off, shutting down, because we just cannot change the subnet of already running instance, so that instance is turned off and a new instance is deployed, this time with the correct subnet ID. And this is how you can update a stack of a stack that you currently have. You can update it by updating the parameters of updating the template. And finally, we want to delete all our stacks, right? So AWS Cloudformation describe stacks output table. So until now we created a stack, we used parameters to specify and make our templates reusable. We updated our stack. Now we want to finally delete our stack. And to make that easier, what I'm going to do is say the same with, I'm going to grep the stack name of all my stacks, and these are the stack names. And one last time I want to check on my, so this one it was successful, just to make sure update was successful. So we have 4 stacks here, and I want to delete my stack. So AWS Cloudformation delete stack name my stack 5. Right, so up arrow my stack 4, up my stack 3, and the last one is my test stack 2. Alright, now we can describe our stacks. And stacks status delete in progress, my test stack 2. So let's go back and check on here. Oh, so I missed. So on my, when I deleted the my test stack 2, I misspelled the my test stack. So it's my test stack 2. So let's try this. Now we should have the last one delete in progress too, right here. So in this way we can delete all our stacks, just so that we can make sure we don't have resources running that we don't want running. And one thing to remember one more time is that, let's say I have 5 instances on my stack, then when I delete the stack, all the resources, including the instances, subnets, security group, everything is deleted. So I don't have to individually go and delete each resources. And this is how you use the command line interface to work with AWS Cloudformation. Cloudformation is a very useful and powerful tool, and I encourage you to look into the documentation and try more things. And I hope you learned how to use basic commands on Cloudformation. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next section.